Will your design work? That's the question every designer needs to answer. In the SolidWorks Simulation Essentials training, you'll learn how to confidently validate your designs and make informed decisions using SolidWorks Simulation. This course is all about equipping you with the tools to answer questions like, will it hold up? Is it safe? And is there a better way? Here's how we build your skills in the SolidWorks Simulation Essentials training. You'll first start with the fundamentals. Learn the core simulation workflow, apply loads, define fixtures, and run a study. Then interpret the results. It's your first step towards getting reliable answers from your designs. Then it's a deep dive on meshing to ensure accurate results. Meshing is the foundation of any good simulation. You'll dive into meshing and learn about local mesh controls, quality checks, and see how the mesh impacts your results so you can trust the answers you're getting. Next, we go beyond single parts. Explore how to simulate multi-body parts and assemblies, including how components connect and interact. Real designs are complex. This shows you how to handle that complexity with ease. Then, you learn tools to speed up your analysis. Learn how to simplify and accelerate your studies with techniques like symmetry, virtual connectors like pins, bolts, springs, and other time-saving tools, so you get accurate answers faster. Followed then by using the right element for the job. You'll go beyond solid elements and learn when to use shells for thin parts like sheet metal or beams for weldments and tubes. The right element gives you better answers with less time and effort. Then take it a step further with mixed meshing. Discover how to combine solid shell and beam elements in one study, mirroring how real designs are built and ensuring your simulations reflect reality. Finally, you automate exploring design alternatives. You'll learn how to run multiple design scenarios using design studies, a powerful way to test variations and explore optimal solutions without manual input. Just set it and forget it. Simulation Essentials isn't just about running a study. It's about learning how to ask better design questions so you get meaningful answers that improve your products. Whether you're verifying strength, improving performance, or comparing design options, this course shows you how to use SolidWorks simulation to make smarter, faster decisions.